is on fire this morning. Oh, gee. Fucking idiot. Back to Jersey, you fucktard. Is that a... Yeah, that's a cutoff. Tough guy. Well, fuck you. Tough noogies, princess. I mean, like, I wasn't going to do a hard break in this fucking weather to let her in. Period. Thank you. Well, you have your own lane there, you could go. Stop tailgating. Stop exit diving. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Pick one lane, dummy. Pick one fucking lane. Legit. Yeah. Yep. That was a cutoff. No left turn, Toyotard.
Keep right, then bear left.
Oh, you suck.
Bear left.
Exit dive. You have to load your car in the middle of the aisle. Okay. Toyotards. Why you stopped randomly? At least I hope it's dead there and not, you know. Are you close enough? You're close enough again. Thank you. That was a cutoff, maybe? I don't know. Okay, that was a cutoff. Again, dude, enough with you, alright? See these idiots in front of me, dude? I can't go any faster, you know? I know my backside is exceptionally shapely, but, you know, really, you can get away from it. Thank you. Go away. Thank you, Santa. Stop! I knew they wouldn't stop. Made no fucking effort whatsoever. Did you run the red? Oh, you definitely ran the red. That's an asshole. Close enough, thank you. Was that a cutoff? Stop tailgating. Tomatoes, baby. What? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for yielding right in front of a cop. Whoa, hello, hello, hello. That exit lane dive. What are you doing? Are you exit diving? Exit diving. You dumbass. Dumbass hole. Okay. What was that for? I didn't cut you off or anything.